Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to send money to bank account from Revolut. So let's get into the video. So firstly, let's open up Revolut and log into your account. So I'm going to open up mine, so I'm just logging now. Okay, all right. So once I've logged in, so if you're going to send money to your bank account, so what we have to do now here is hit on the transfer option here. So on the below middle, so you see transfer option, hit on transfer. When you get here, so on your top right here, you have the plus new icon. So click on that. And here, since we are sending it to a bank account, choose add new, choose the first option, the bank recipient option. All right. So once you choose this, I think you might see my screen blank out because due to security and privacy reasons, as I'm screen recording it. So once you hit on account settings, so for example, so when you hit on bank recipient, you will get to the account settings page here where you need to plug in the details of your account that you're going to send the money to. So the bank details like the account number, name, and all those details. So you just have to plug in those details and then hit add recipient and then complete the transaction and then proceed with the transaction and complete it. So that's how you're going to send from Revolut to your bank account. So hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.